Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I am going to show you how I made these delicious Halloween cupcakes. That's right, the spooky season is back. The ghosts are out, and the children's teeth are ready for that sweetness. So let's get into this video. First, we will start out with 4 egg whites. Separate your yolks from your egg whites. I am using 4 large eggs. Now make sure you get a spoon and get that piece of egg yellow that fell in. We are going to use a box cake mix. And here I am adding in the oil, the egg whites, and the water according to the boxed cake mix. You can use whatever box of cake mix that you like. I'm using the white box cakes mix. And yes, add in those egg whites along with that oil and the water according to the box cake mix. And we are going to mix this together until it is well combined. Okay, so now it is time for us to fill up our muffin pan. In this muffin pan, you can see that I placed rice in the bottom. The reason why the rice is at the bottom, because it stops the cupcakes from browning too dark at the bottom and cooking too fast, so you don't have any burnt muffins. I am using muffin liners for the cupcake holders, and these ones I got from the Dollar Tree. They are Halloween decor cupcake liners. Okay, so this puts everything into the festive mood. With most cake mixes, you need to fill the cake mix up a little over half full, because if not, your cupcakes will be really tiny, and that's not what you're looking for. Okay, you want them to fluff up and be soft and nice and pretty. Okay, so now here we go. We are going to start mixing our frosting. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Yes, you want unsalted butter. You don't want your stuff to taste salty, okay, at all. So make sure, in order to make your buttercream frosting, that you are using unsalted butter. I am using the paddle to mix my buttercream frosting with. Okay, so first you will whip your butter for about 4 minutes to get it really nice and soft and whipped. 4 to 5 minutes, that's what I would say. So start out with 2 minutes and 30 seconds at high speed. Then you are going to stop, and you're going to scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl with a spatula, as you can see that my daughter is doing here in the video. My daughter Tamaya, she loves to bake, and this was her idea for these Halloween cupcakes. Okay, you guys, and she's the one who is making the Halloween cupcakes in the video, and she is also making this frosting. The design and everything is from her. So now you're going to mix the 2 sticks of butter again for your buttercream frosting for another 2 minutes and 30 seconds. This will be a total of 5 minutes, and you want this to be whipped pretty well, okay, for some delicious buttercream frosting. That's right, you can make this at home. Most of us already have all the ingredients that's needed to make buttercream frosting. Okay, you can see how she's whipping it until she gets it to the correct consistency. So now we are going to add in our powdered sugar. You will add in 3 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, 3 cups plus 1/2 cup will be sifted into your butter. Also, you will need to add in, after the first cup of powdered sugar, go ahead and mix in your milk, which will be 1 to 2 tablespoons. as well as your vanilla flavoring, vanilla bean. And you will need to use about 2.5 tablespoons for that flavoring, okay? Or 3 tablespoons of the vanilla, okay? All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below that we are using here to make this buttercream frosting. If you guys want to go ahead and buy you some frosting, that's fine. But the reason why we are making this buttercream frosting from scratch is because we would like to add some color to have this festive Halloween color, okay, you guys? But it's just regular vanilla buttercream frosting. And you are going to mix this until everything is well combined, okay, in your mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, remember you can use a hand mixer. So we are going to separate this evenly into 3 separate bowls, our buttercream frosting. Voila! Now if you want to make cream cheese frosting, all you have to do is go ahead and just add cream cheese to this particular mixture to make a delicious cream cheese frosting. Trust me, you guys, it's very easy to make you some frosting at home. So make sure that you separate everything evenly, as you can see that we are doing here in this video. Next, we are going to add in the food coloring of our choice, which you will only need about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of the particular coloring of your choice. We are going to use red, orange, and purple for our cupcakes to get everything settled into the festive mood. Okay, everyone? So go ahead and add in these different colorings so that your cakes can look festive for the spooky Halloween season or Halloween day. And to all the mothers, see here are our food colorings. They are done. And remember, mothers, you guys can make these cupcakes for your kids for their class party. These are the tips that we will be using for our piping bags. And we're going to use 3 different kinds so that you guys can see the design that it makes for our piping bags. Now, get a cup and place your piping bags into a tall cup to add in your frostings like we are doing here. It would be easier for you to get your frosting into the piping bags if you add them in a cup, a tall cup like I have here. Just a regular tall glass cup, you know, out of your cabinet. You don't have to go out and buy anything fancy. And the piping bags that we have, we also got these from the Dollar Tree as well. $1.25, $1.25, or you can go to Walmart and find them in the cake decorating section. So our cupcakes are done. We have baked them, everyone. And now let's get these designs on our cupcakes from the different piping bags with the different piping tips, that you can see what designs each one makes, okay? We're not cake decorators. We don't own a bakery. We are just some home cooks showing you some ways to do some things at home that are easy and affordable. And it's festive if you want to be into the Halloween spirit, okay? Also, we are going to use some Halloween sprinkles that we found at Walmart as well. I think I paid maybe $2 for these sprinkles. And they have little ghosts in them. Some have eyeballs in them. They all have something different. It just according to which box you pick. Little container you pick up. And the little spider toppings came from the Dollar Tree for the cupcakes, okay? So here we are, everyone. Our Halloween cupcakes are completed and finished. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video with Cooking with TK on how to make some delicious Halloween cakes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Share this video out with each and every one you